I'll let him take it, whatever it is. Oh, here we go, baby. Woo! Rock on. Oh, it's a good fish. Oh, fuck, dude. It's a good fish. I'm glad you told me you saw him swimming with the line, because I couldn't see that. And you weren't kidding. He was swimming right to the boat.
I thought he was small though.
This guy might be similar to the size you had. No. It's a good fight, man. This is a good fish. It's coming back to the boat. I have not seen him one time. I wonder if it's a white drum. Bro, he is like... I hope it's not a stingray. Surely it's not. Dude, this is crazy. Like, it's no longer fighting like a redfish. It's like it's sucked to the bottom.
It looks pretty wide down here.
I bet it's a ray. Redfish wouldn't be doing this.
Get him up.
I'm gonna have to start tightening this drag. There's no way this is a redfish. Tire him out, I guess.
Looks like a ray.
Oh shit, it is.
Big ass ray, dude.
Dang, man, I thought I had another toad like you. Wow. That's why he was swimming to the boat like that.
Yeah, that's why.
Well, that was exciting, but Well, he's hooked in a good spot. It should come right out. Sweet. Thanks.
They don't need to know it was Ray.
Watch this guy. He's gonna go right through our stuff. God, we got lines all right here. Yeah, and you think you're not blowing the redfish out by burning through here? What are you doing? You wouldn't want us to do that. Oh, don't even give me that bull.